depending on which role you're playing in your organization. Okay, before I come to that, maybe I answer some of the questions posted in the chat box. Oh, sorry, I am. It's a background noise. Okay, you know what? My sponge is missing, so maybe I just put it. I just dropped my sponge without realizing. Is it better now? QA, is it better? The background noise, is it better? Sorry, everybody, if you if my sponge is dropped, please remind me. Okay, this is my DIY noise cancelling sponge, but eventually I use it so many times it start to become loose. Yeah, DIY. Before, after. Okay, so if you want to start to hear humming sound, feel free to tell me to modify to like change. Okay, there's a principle in AWS, so we call it every day like day one. So we prepare like day one. Then we always keep ourselves on our toes. So sometimes I'm talking, then I'm not observing my microphone, the sponge drop, right? Feel free to remind me. Okay. All right. Okay, where are we just now? All right, the billing. Okay. So the billing part,